I haven't like sat down and done my eyeshadow in so long. I'm kind of like, what do I do? I'm forgetting everything. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. I am very, very, very excited to be filming today's video. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the Pure X Rawbeautykristi collaboration. I just got this in the mail and it was literally, let me tell you, it was perfect timing because Riley's family is coming tomorrow. They're going to hang out with us. Don't worry, we did everything coronavirus safe. We all got tested. We're all negative. We've all been social distancing. We're all good. The timing couldn't have been better because I'm filming this before they got here. So if you open up the box inside, you have the double-ended eyeshadow palette and 2 lashes. I want to show you guys this palette because when I saw the reveal photos and the reveal of everything, I didn't realize it was a palette on both ends. I thought, oh, okay, maybe it's 2 palettes, maybe it's whatever. But look at these palettes. This is definitely something versatile. You have your neutrals on one side with a nice mirror and your more colorfuls on the other side. And I love that she added a pop of white because I always really love whites in eyeshadow palettes. Now, before I get into giving you guys my thoughts, I do just want to let you know that I absolutely adore Kristi. I think she is amazing. I'm so excited for her, not only for her pregnancy, but for this collaboration. And I think that she is just effing awesome all around. I cannot say enough good things about her. I really hope quarantine is over soon so, you know, I can like hang out with her next time I'm in Washington. So if you don't know who Rawbeautykristi is, I highly recommend checking her out. She is just the best. Seriously, like one of the best people in the beauty industry, hands down. And I'm just so excited for her and I'm just so happy for her. I can't say it enough. I'm like gleaming for her. She named everything about her family, her kitties, her husband, and she actually drew all of the images on the palette. Damn, girl, we gotta get you on my painting sips. And Pure is definitely a great brand. I feel like from the get-go, they've always had incredible shade range and just inclusivity a lot. Okay, so the entire collection will be available on July 12th at purecosmetics.com, and the lashes are $14 each, which is definitely affordable. They are cruelty-free and faux silk lashes, and the eyeshadow palette is $34, which is actually pretty good pricing considering you're getting 18 shades and kind of like 2 palettes in one. So without further ado, let's get into this. I'm going to pop some primer on my eyes. This is the P. Louise Mitchell collaboration. I love this primer. I think it's great. And you know what I will say, looking at this palette, it's kind of got my creativity juices flowing because I haven't been really wanting to do much eyeshadow lately, and this makes me inspired, you know? I think I want to try my best to include both sides of the palette. That way I can give you guys more of an accurate opinion on my thoughts of everything. Oh my God, these 2 colors right here are so pretty. Let me give y'all some swatches first. So first we have Camelot. Oh, give it to me, honey. Next we have It Just Does. Oh, look at that pigment. My Whole Heart. This is probably going to be really light on me. That'll be good for like a transition shade or a brow bone shade. Next we have Copper Boxes. A little bit of fallout on that shade. Nothing too insane. Then we have Golden Ticket, which is the only shimmer in this palette on the neutral side. This is Moo Point. Here is B. I'm gonna go back up top. This right here is Told You. Dude, this is pigmented. And the last shade is You're Not My Real Dad. There we go. So these are all of the neutrals. Guys, I want to do a pink eyeshadow look. I really want to, but y'all get pissed at me when I use pink all the time. I get it. Can I just say, I love that there are way more mattes than shimmers because I feel like a lot of the time matte shades get left out of palettes. It's like always shimmer, 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 shimmer. So I do like that there are some mattes and majority mattes. Okay, first up on the colorful side, and I'm gonna go up here, that way we have more room this time. This is called Flavor Town. Nice and spicy red. Next we have Garden State. Look at how much pigment there is. It covers my tattoo. That's more coverage than some foundation. But we gotta see how they perform on the eyes. You know that. You guys know swatches are just swatches. But I will say I'm impressed with the payoff. Next we have Tribute. This is called Mi Orange. This is the only shimmer shade on the colorful side. This is called Cafe Disco. Yes, The Office, my favorite show on earth. There we go, that's nice. That'd be really pretty for an inner corner. This is Side Effect. Guys, I wanna do pink. This shade is called Dandelion. Then we have Hurtful and Lumos. That's a good white. All right, you guys, I think we're ready to dive in and get some looks going here. All right, we are all zoomed in, baby. The first shade I'm gonna put on is this one right here, My Whole Heart. Guys, Mercury retrograde is making me so clumsy, and I'm just gonna put this exactly on the brow bone, like so. This is just gonna be something to kind of set and have a little something in place. Next, we're gonna be going in with It Just Does, which is a peach color. I love colors like this so much, and I'm gonna be very lightly going in the crease with this. I'm barely using any pressure, and I make sure to tap off any excess because I don't want it to be insanely pigmented. You can always add more, you can't add less. You guys, I'm so excited for Riley's family to come. We haven't had family time since January. Riley's family's in Washington, my family's in New York, so I probably won't see my family for the rest of the year because there ain't no way in hell I'm getting on an airplane, I'll tell you that much. I haven't like sat down and done my eyeshadow in so long. I'm kind of like, what do I do? I'm forgetting everything. Next I'm going in with Mi Orange, and I'm gonna pop that a little bit lower in the crease, right about here. And the brush I'm using is a Colourpop E1, and I'm just intensifying the crease a bit more and feathering whatever's left on my brush up into the transition. These are blending very beautifully. And I can show y'all a little trick too, but look at how nicely that's coming out. So then what I'll do is take the original color we used, It Just Does, tap off any excess, and blend right over the two. That way they blend even more seamlessly, but everything is looking really pretty right now, and I'm really liking the way it's turning out. It's blending very nicely. Next, I'm gonna take that hot pink shade, Perfect, and we're gonna go in the crease with this as well. Where do all my brushes go? We're using a Colourpop E9. This is called Side Effect, and I'm placing this on top of the orange just to add a little bit more vibrancy in there. It might not be showing up on camera, but it looks really cool in person. Look at how bright these colors are. I love it. And then again, taking a brush, it blends so nicely, you guys. I can't get over it. I wish I actually had somewhere to go. I cannot get over this. It looks so good. And the last shade I'm gonna be putting in the crease to just give this dimension is gonna be You're Not My Real Dad. And it's gonna be more towards the outer corner. Just like so, not anything too crazy, just a little bit of dimension. And I'm kind of doing like circular motions in the outer corner. Let's cut that motherfucking crease. Let's cut that motherfucking crease. I have problems. And the brush I'm using to do this is the Colourpop E20. I'm just gonna cut. All right, this is what we got going on. I want to use Cafe Disco just because I love the name so much. And I love the Office reference. Oh yeah, Cafe Disco, get on my eyes. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Very sparkly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the other crease off camera and be back to apply Cafe Disco. All right, Cafe Disco, get on my balls. My eyeballs, that is. I was trying to be like Michael Scott. This is so nice. I love this color. All right, you guys, this is the eye look we got going on right now. I think what I'm gonna do is just take a little bit more of that You're Not My Real Dad shade and just lightly dust this in the crease just to bring back a little bit of that shadow we lost. Wow, I really love the way this looks. All right, so I think that we should add a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm gonna go in with House Labs. So we got that first initial wing, and then I drag it down like so, and just fill it in. So we're gonna be applying the Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara. I really love this mascara. If you're looking for a good one and a new one, I highly recommend. So the first pair of lashes we have is called Can't Be Bothered, and this is what they look like. And the second pair is called Lovely. This is what these puppies look like. Which ones do we want to wear? Let's do Lovelies. Ooh, and they're bandless, which makes it easier to apply. Pure lashes are actually really nice. I've used them before. It's been a minute, but I do remember liking their stuff. Ooh, I really like these lashes. They're really pretty and they're very comfortable to wear without the band. Bandless lashes I always feel like are the most comfortable and the easiest to wear without having to put a liner on as well. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup off camera and be back for the under eyes. All right, for the lower lash, I think we'll just follow that same pattern. So I'm first gonna go in with It Just Does. Okay, it just does. And smoke out the lower lash. Then we got Side Effect. And last but not least, we got You're Not My Real Dad. Makes me giggle every time. And you know we gotta take Cafe Disco. And we gotta get that right here in the inner corner and a little bit onto the lower lash line. Okay, you guys, so we are all zoomed out and I love this look that we created. You guys, I really feel like Kristi nailed it out of the park with this collection. It is so cute. The colors blended so nicely, the ones I used, so I'm going to assume that the rest blend like this as well. And honestly, I think the price is really affordable for basically having 2 palettes with mirrors. And I just love that there's her drawings all over it. I think it's really, really cute and I'm so incredibly happy for her. I definitely will be continuing to use these lashes and also the palette. The lashes that I have on are Lovey and they are very, very comfortable. I'm really, really excited and really proud of Kristi. This is an incredible collection and I love that you can do both neutral looks and colorful looks. I feel like there's something for everybody with this collection. And even these lashes, they're a little bit smaller than the other ones. You have the Can't Be Bothered. Those are a bit larger. So if you're into larger lashes than the ones I have on, you have that as an option as well. I really do feel like the price points are great on everything. I feel like it's definitely affordable. And I just love Kristi so much and I'm so excited for her. I really do love this palette, you guys. And I can't wait to continue to use it. And there actually was not a lot of fallout, like at all, on my face whatsoever and from the palette, which is really good with matte colorful shadows. A lot of the times you'll have some type of fallout going on, but I really did not have a lot or any at all, honestly, that I noticed. This has got my creative juices flowing again, like I'm actually excited to play around with makeup again. I need mascara on my bottom lashes. The hell am I doing? That's how long it's been since I've worn like a full glam thing. I'm like forgetting how to do my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and I will see y'all next time and make sure to check out Rawbeautykristi. She really is awesome. Bye!